Welcome. If you want to make your Facebook page more interactive and allow everyone to post on it, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the latest steps to enable public posting on your Facebook page using your PC, following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main Facebook page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. Now from the drop-down menu, select the page you want to manage. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo at the top. This will take you directly to your page's main profile. Next, look for the menu on the left side of your screen and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Page and Tagging. Click on it to open more options. Here, you'll see a section called Who Can Post on Your Page. This is the setting we want to change. Click on Who Can Post on Your Page, and you'll see a few different options. To allow everyone to post, simply select Everyone. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Now anyone can post on your Facebook page, making it a more vibrant and engaging community. This is perfect for pages that want to encourage more interaction, gather feedback, or create a space where everyone's voice can be heard. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly interactive Facebook page.